So I'll put 147,400 here, right? Remember, the first screen, the first time we were trying to create, what do you call it? Okay, let me just continue. We're trying to create a GL now. We don't have the GL yet. I'll click enter. Company code AD is not assigned to a fixed status variant. You can see these are some of the things. So how do we get to this place? Just a reminder. How do we get to this place? We're trying to post, we're trying to post a journal. We're trying to post a journal. We're trying to post a journal. That's what we intend to do, right? Slash O, let me 15. We're trying to post a journal, a GL to GL account, and we do not have a GL, and we need to create a GL. So what are the prerequisites to create a GL? I've explained. To create a GL, you need a chart of accounts, which we have created. You need to assign the chart of account to your company code. We have done that. You also need to create an account group. We have created an account group. Before you now create a GL, you must have created a retain. You must have mapped your retained earning to the backend. It's an automatic posting for retained earning. You have to create a retained earning account. So we go to the system to map a retained earning to the account to configure it or to just put an account to the backend, yeah, where it automatically picked is a retained earning. However, we are not done yet. Now we thought we are done, right? We imagine we are done, that we need to just go ahead and create our GL. Now it's flagging us an error that we need to create, that the company code AD00 is not assigned to a fixed status variant, right? It's telling us that we need to do this before you create this GL. So what is fixed status variant? That's the question. And where do we create it? Like I said, I'm showing you practical scenario where all these things are linked so that you will know what and what, when you are facing future with errors, you know what and what you need to do, right? Like you need to do. So it's asking us that we need to create a fixed status variant. So we'll go and create one. Let's create one now. You see this error, you will not see it for the next time. Let's go and create one. We'll create a fixed status variant. And what is fixed status variant? Now, for I will still explain with that when we get to the screen. But what fixed status, you see, okay, let me explain something. All these things you are seeing here, all these box, all this column, all these box, they are field. They are called field. They are field where you put your entries, where you put your data. They are field. So something controls some of this field. There is something that controls all of this field. There's something that controls all of this field. I restate. So we need to define a field status variant. Field status variant is a variant that the field status group is is mapped to, right? Is mapped to. So I'll just show you that now. So how do we get to the part? It's under financial accounting global setting. That's why I said there are some things we have not finished with under financial accounting global setting, but I just want to make the video straightforward so that at least you know what and what. So you come to financial accounting global setting, you come to ledger, you come to field, then you come to uh, define fee status variant. So you define one, you click on define fee status variant. And after you are done with the definition of status variant, you have to come and assign it, right? So now I could just click on new one. I'll just pick one, and let me just pick one and copy. I'll just pick one and copy. So I'll just change it to AD00 as my field status. I'll just say field status Adams oil and gas. Okay, there's no, okay, Adams is fine. So I've created my field status, right? So after that, I'll click on I'll click on enter. So it's asking me that do I want to copy the previous, you see, when you copy from a pre-existing field status, what happens is that the field status group from the pre-existing, when you copy from a pre-existing field status variant, when you copy, in fact, not just this screen, when you copy from any item like company code, like number ranges and all that, it copies the existing setup or maintenance or object that have been maintained under that. So it's asking us that do we want to copy from the field status group that has been maintained under the field status variant we copied from. I'll just say copy all. I'll say copy all. Yeah, I'll just say copy all.